Did you know that affiliate marketers over depend on a single affiliate program and lose out on opportunities to make more commissions? A big problem that affiliate marketers face today is that they do not try other affiliate programs within their niche and do not make the desired amount of commissions. So, in this video, I will share a case study of Sujot, who was over dependent on a single affiliate program, did not get the desired results, diversified, and then got the results that he wanted. Hello everyone, I am Shubhamjeet Kumar, and let's jump in. Okay, so here is Sujot's case study. Sujot had a passion for promoting products related to his niche, and he was quite skilled at it. Okay, over the years, Sujot had built a comfortable income scheme promoting or partnering with a single affiliate program. Let's call it XYZ Affiliates. Okay, XYZ Affiliates was a popular and reputable affiliate program that offered generous commissions for every sale Sujot generated. Okay, XYZ Affiliates had a wide range of high quality products and a user friendly platform that had made it easy for Sujot to track his earnings. Okay, for a while life was good and Sujot was contented with his choice. However, as you might have heard, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Sujot's over dependence on XYZ affiliates program was about to teach him a valuable lesson about the perils of relying too heavily on a single affiliate program. Okay, so I've divided Sujot's case study into 8 chapters. Okay, the first chapter is Sujot's comfort zone. Look, Sujot had become comfortable with the steady income generated through XYZ affiliates. Okay, he had built a well-tuned affiliate marketing strategy around the program, and it seemed that it was a sure short way or a surefire way to make money online. Okay, every month, like clockwork, a substantial commission payment would land in Sujot's bank account. Okay, but as time went on, Sujot began to notice some cracks in the foundation of his affiliate empire. Okay, competition in the niche was growing fierce, and the once dependable XYZ affiliates program was no longer the only game in town. New affiliate programs were emerging, offering higher commissions, better products, and innovative affiliate marketing tools. Okay, so this was about Sujot's comfort zone. Now, this second chapter will be the changing landscape. One day, while attending an marketing conference, Sujot met several fellow affiliate marketers who had diversified their affiliate marketing portfolios. Okay, so they shared their success stories and how they adapted to the changing affiliate marketing landscape. So when he heard that his friends or fellow affiliate marketers had diversified, it was an eye-opening experience for Sujot. Okay, Sujot learned about the importance of diversification in affiliate marketing, and it became apparent that Sujot's over-reliance on a single program could leave him vulnerable to various risks. So the newfound knowledge that Sujot found made him rethink his strategy. And when Sujot rethought about his strategy, he had some realizations. Okay, the realization was the risks of over dependence. He realized that if anything were to happen to XYZ affiliates, be it changes in their commission rates, policy updates, or worse, a shutdown, his entire income stream would be jeopardized. So, the 4 risks that Sujot identified were: number 1, competition and market saturation. As more affiliates joined XYZ affiliates, the competition for the same pool of customers intensified. This resulted in diminishing results for Sujot, as he had to work harder to maintain his earnings. The second risk he identified was policy changes. XYZ affiliates, like any other affiliate program, could change its terms and conditions at any time. A sudden reduction in commission rates or stricter rules could significantly impact Sujot's earning. Okay. The third risk he realized was the program could shut down. This happens all the time. A few days ago, I received an email from Bluehost which read, Bluehost will shut its affiliate services in India. So I'm an affiliate of Bluehost, and unfortunately, since they shut down their affiliate program in India, I cannot earn from Bluehost as an affiliate. Okay. The same thing happened with Sujot. The XYZ program suddenly shut down, leaving Sujot with no source of income. And the fourth risk Sujot identified was stagnation. By relying solely on XYZ affiliates, Sujot had become complacent in his affiliate marketing efforts. He had stopped experimenting and exploring new strategies and products, which led him to stagnation in his income. Okay, so that was about chapter 3, the risks of overdependence. Now, when Sujot identified the risks, he understood about the power of diversification. Realizing the risks that Sujot faced, he decided to take action. He began to diversify his affiliate marketing efforts just as his friends at the conference advised him. Okay, so here's how Sujot diversified his affiliate marketing efforts. Okay, number one, Sujot explored new niches. Sujot expanded into new niches that were not reliant on a single affiliate program. So, by promoting products from various niches, he reduced his dependence on XYZ affiliates. Okay, now the second thing Sujot did was he joined multiple affiliate programs. Sujot researched and joined other reputable affiliate programs in addition to XYZ affiliates. He carefully selected programs that were aligned with his niche, passion, and his audience. The third thing Sujot did was building a brand. Instead of focusing solely on promoting affiliate products, Sujot started building his brand. He created a website, a blog, and engaged with his audience on social media. So this helped him establish credibility and trust. Now, the fourth thing that Sujot did was he diversified his traffic sources. He diversified his traffic sources by investing in SEO, content marketing, social media, email marketing, and paid advertising. So when he diversified his traffic generation strategies or he diversified his traffic sources, his reliance on a single traffic source was reduced. And the fifth thing that Sujot did was monitoring and implementing analytics. Sujot implemented Google Analytics to track the performance of how each affiliate program worked. This allowed him to identify which programs were performing best and which needed optimization. Okay, so that was about chapter 4. In this chapter, Sujot understood about the power of diversification. And once he understood the power, here are the benefits that he understood. Number one was steady income streams. By promoting products from various affiliate programs across various niches, Sujot created multiple income streams. This provided stability and reduced the impact of any single affiliate program's fluctuations. Okay. The second benefit of diversification was risk mitigation. Sujot was no longer vulnerable to the whims of a single affiliate program. If one program made unfavorable changes, Sujot could rely on others to maintain his income. The third benefit of diversification is adaptability. Sujot became more adaptable and responsive to changes in affiliate marketing. He could now quickly pivot to new programs or niches when he needed. The fourth benefit of diversification was increased earnings. Diversification led to higher overall earnings. Sujot could now leverage the strengths of different affiliate programs and marketing channels to maximize his income. Okay, so once he understood the benefits of diversification, how does the future of Sujot's affiliate empire look? With the newfound approach to affiliate marketing, Sujot's income began to grow steadily. He no longer had to worry about the uncertainties of relying solely on XYZ affiliates. His brand became recognized in multiple niches and he enjoyed the freedom to explore new opportunities. So this case study or story of Sujot serves a valuable lesson for affiliate marketers. While it is temporarily okay to put all your eggs into one basket, it is not sustainable in the long term. So overdependence on a single affiliate program could lead to complacency, vulnerability, and missed opportunities. So in chapter 7, I will share my takeaways from Sujot's case study. Okay. The first takeaway is to diversify your affiliate portfolio. Don't ever rely on a single affiliate program. Explore and join multiple reputed programs in different niches or different programs in the same niche to mitigate your risk. Okay. The second takeaway is to build your brand. Invest in building your brand and your online presence. This will make you less dependent on the success of any single affiliate program and more resilient to marketing changes. Okay. The third takeaway is to monitor and adapt. You should regularly monitor the performance of your affiliate programs and marketing channels, and if needed, be prepared to adapt and pivot when necessary. The fourth takeaway is to explore new niches. Don't limit yourself to a single niche. Okay, exploring new niches can open up new income streams and reduce your reliance on any one single program. However, if you want to stick to one niche, you can explore various programs within that niche. Okay, my fifth takeaway is to diversify your traffic sources. Dependence on a single traffic source is extremely risky, so diversify traffic generation and generate traffic from various sources. Okay, takeaway number 6 is to stay informed. Keep yourself informed about the changes in the affiliate marketing industry. Attend conferences, read industry news, and if possible, network with other affiliate marketers to stay ahead of the curve. And the seventh takeaway is plan for contingencies. Always have a contingency plan in case your primary affiliate program faces challenges or shutdowns. So, having alternate income sources or savings can definitely provide financial stability. Okay, the eighth chapter is the conclusion. Okay, from Sujot's story, what I will conclude is, in the world of affiliate marketing, the case study of Sujot serves as a cautionary one or an example. Okay, over dependence on a single affiliate program can lead to complacency, vulnerability, and financial stability. Diversification, on the other hand, offers stability, adaptability, and the potential for greater earnings. Remember, affiliate industry is always changing, and to thrive in this dynamic environment, it is crucial to spread your wings and explore new opportunities. So don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify, adapt, and secure your future as a successful affiliate marketer. And as the story of Sujot or the case study of Sujot says, in the world of affiliate marketing, diversification is key to long-term success. So that's about this video. In this video, I shared Sujot's case study, who stuck with a single affiliate program, who was over dependent on a single affiliate program. His income started to go down. He realized the importance of diversification, and through diversifying, he made opportunities for earning more commissions, and he in fact earned more commissions. So that's about this video. If this video provided you with value, please give it a thumbs up and share your feedback in the comments box below. And if you'd like to see content related to affiliate marketing, please subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell to receive updates as soon as I post new videos. So that's about it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.